Let's take up multiple choice questions based on biomolecules. First question, sucrose on hydrolysis gives glucose only. So glucose and galactose, glucose and fructose, glucose and lactose. Correct answer is glucose and fructose. C part is the correct answer. Next question, vitamin C is ascorbic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, paracetamol. Correct answer is ascorbic acid. A part is the correct answer. Glucose reacts with tolerance reagent to give derivative of monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, ketone, ketoacid. A part is the correct answer. It also gives silver mirror, and that shows that glucose is reducing sugar. It has got free aldehyde group, therefore reacts with tolerance reagent to form silver mirror and gets oxidized to monocarboxylic acid. Next, the number of tripeptides formed by 3 different amino acids are 5, 6, 3, 4. Correct answer is 6. There are different combinations which will lead to tripeptides. So total 6 are possible tripeptide from 3 different amino acids. Which one of the following base found in DNA but not found in RNA? Cytosine, guanine, adenine, thymine. Correct answer is thymine. In RNA, uracil is present instead of thymine. Cytosine, guanine and adenine are present both in DNA as well as RNA. The most important energy carrier in living cell, AMP, ADP, UDP and ATP. Correct answer is ATP. ATP is adenosine triphosphate. It gets hydrolyzed to ADP and releases energy. ADP is adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine diphosphate get hydrolyzed to AMP, adenosine monophosphate, and energy is liberated. So ATP is also called currency of energy. The total number of basic groups in the following structure are 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct answer is 2 basic groups are present in this structure. Which of the following is not fat soluble vitamin? Vitamin A is fat soluble, vitamin K is fat soluble, vitamin E is fat soluble, folic acid is not fat soluble vitamin. It is also a vitamin, folic acid, but it is not fat soluble, rather it is water soluble. That's why it must be part of our diet. And you must be knowing the deficiency of folic acid may lead to anemia. The aldehyde which is formed during photosynthesis of plants is phenylmethanol, propanol, ethanol or methanol. Correct answer is D part, methanol is formed. Lactose is made up of alpha D glucose, beta D galactose and beta D glucose, beta D galactose and alpha D glucose, alpha D galactose and beta D glucose. Correct answer is B part. It consists of beta D galactose and beta D glucose. An example of non-reducing sugar is sucrose, maltose, lactose and cellulose. Correct answer is A part. Sucrose is non-reducing sugar. It means it does not react with Fehling solution and does not give brick red precipitate. Reducing sugar form brick red precipitate with Fehling solution and may also form silver mirror with tolerance reagent. They are called reducing sugar. Sucrose is non-reducing sugar. Which of the following is most abundant carbohydrate found in plants? Cellulose, starch, lipids, fructose. Correct answer is cellulose is most abundant carbohydrate in plants. The reason for double helix structure of DNA is operation of hydrogen bonding, electrostatic attraction, van der Waals forces, dipole-dipole attraction. Correct answer is hydrogen bonding. Hydrolysis of cellulose gives D-fructose, D-ribose, D-glucose, L-glucose. Correct answer is C part, D-glucose. Cellulose is linear chain polymer of D-glucose. A nucleoside on hydrolysis gives a aldopentose and heterocyclic base, aldopentose and orthophosphoric acid, a heterocyclic base and orthophosphoric acid, aldopentose, a heterocyclic base and orthophosphoric acid. Correct answer is A part, a aldopentose and heterocyclic base. Nucleotide on hydrolysis gives aldopentose, heterocyclic base and orthophosphoric acid. Nucleoside gives aldopentose and heterocyclic base only. Insulin production and its action in the human body are responsible for level of diabetes. The compound belongs to which of the following categories? A coenzyme, a hormone, enzyme, antibiotic? Correct answer is hormone, but it is protein hormone. It contains 51 amino acids. The two forms of D-glucopyranose obtained from D-glucose are known as apimers, anomers, and isomers, geometrical isomers. Correct answer is anomers. Alpha glucose and beta glucose are called anomers because they differ in configuration on C1 carbon of the OH group. Which one of the following is not an aldose? Glucose is aldohexose, ribose is aldopentose, fructose is ketohexose, mannose is aldohexose or aldose. C part is the correct answer. This is ketose. A certain compound gives negative test with ninhydrin and positive test with Benedict's reagent. The compound is a lipid, a protein, an amino acid, and monosaccharide. Correct answer is monosaccharides. Because monosaccharides react with Welling solution or Benedict's reagent to give brick red precipitate. Proteins react with ninhydrin to give blue coloration. So ninhydrin test is meant for proteins, Benedict solution test is meant for carbohydrates, and particularly monosaccharides and reducing sugar.